When was the last time you ate a delicious plate of oha soup? Hello, treasures. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So, let me show you how I made this delicious pot of oha soup. Let's get started. So I started by adding my already cooked meat into my cooking pot. I'm using goat meat, but you can use any other protein of your choice. I also have some stock fish, which I soaked overnight to soften it. Then add some water, cover and allow it to boil or bring it to a boil. Then after some minutes, it started boiling. I opened the pot again. Then added some palm oil, just about a cooking spoon of palm oil. I'm making a large pot of soup, so the oil you're adding or whatever ingredients you're adding depends on the quantity of soup you're making. Next, I'll be adding some dry fish too. This is mangala fish. It is very dry, so that's why I'm adding it early so that it can cook and also bring in its own taste. Add some crayfish, salt, seasoning cubes, pepper. I have some frozen pepper. That's what I just added. Then stir everything together, cover and allow to boil for about 5 minutes before we continue. Then I'll go in with my thickener. I'm using cocoyam powder or cocoyam flour. You can use any thickener of your choice. For this soup, you can use the ache, you can use ofo, you can use even oat powder. Yes, I do that sometimes. Then I'll cover it and allow it to dissolve. I'm not stirring it, but you can also use water to dissolve it before adding it to the soup. After about 5 minutes or 7 minutes of boiling, this is what we have. The cocoyam has dissolved very well. You can see that, and with a beautiful color. After stirring it, everything is good to go, but I need it more spicy, so I added a little bit of pepper again. I have some periwinkle esam and I love it in my soup, so I added some to the soup. I add it whenever I have it available. If you don't have it, you can skip it, but it gives my oha soup very delicious taste. I love it. Then I go in with the oziza leaf. I'm using oziza, so I'll be making oziza and the oha soup. Did I say, yeah, I did not mention it at the beginning, but I'm adding oziza here. You know, oziza is also very good. It tastes very good, gives very good flavor in soups. Yeah, soups, every soup, oh, be it okra soup, be it egusi, be it oha, it gives nice flavor. And then I went ahead and added some more crayfish, stirred everything together, just cover and allow it to boil for a minute, just to cook for a minute so that the flavor of the oziza can enter into the soup before we go in with our final ingredients. And now it is time to add the chief and the last ingredient, which is oha. I've already selected this, picked it, or I cut it with my fingers, washed, and now it is ready to go into the pot. Just gently add it into the pot, after which I'll just push the oha into the soup. I'm not going to stir it immediately, just push it into the soup, allow it to cook for about a minute again, or yeah, a minute or two. and then our soup is ready. Just after pushing it in, stirring it a bit, and then I'll put off the gas, and our oha soup is ready. This oha tasted so delicious. In fact, this is the best or the most delicious oha soup I've eaten. So yummy. I hope you'll be giving this a try. You make it this way and see how it tastes. Use goat meat for your oha soup and thank me later. At this point, I'll put off the gas and our delicious goat meat oha soup is ready. And this took place in less than 20 minutes. We're able to put this together in less than 20 minutes. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.